The cover for the rapid water level control needs a stiffening rib for strength and an inset for a warning decal. The new design needs more clearance for internal components. An offset surface will work. In SOLIDWORKS 2020, faces that can't be offset the desired amount are automatically identified and highlighted in the tree. You can view and remove the failing faces to build the remaining geometry all at once. This streamlined workflow simplifies the process of creating offset surfaces, saving you time creating complex geometry. From here, SOLIDWORKS' powerful surfacing tools make it easy to clean up the remaining surfaces and create a design that can be injection molded. To finish the design, we can use a surface thicken to create a constant wall thickness part. New in SOLIDWORKS 2020, you have the option to thicken the surface equally in both directions. More options to simplify part modeling. Our finished design looks great, meets our design requirements, and is ready to be manufactured.